Today I am reviewing the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a lightweight, eco-friendly, and easy-to-use lawn mower that delivers solid performance without the hassle of gas, the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower is a very strong option for small to medium-sized yards. It's designed for convenience, quiet operation, and low maintenance, making it especially appealing for homeowners who want a simple and efficient mowing experience. Let's start with performance. This mower runs on a 40V lithium-ion battery system and comes with a 4.0 Ah battery included. On a full charge, you can get up to around 40 minutes of runtime, which is generally enough for lawns up to about 1/3 to half an acre, depending on grass thickness and cutting conditions. The motor delivers gas-like performance without actually needing gas, oil, or pull cords, which makes starting it incredibly easy. With a simple push-button start, you're ready to mow in seconds. One of the biggest advantages of this mower is how quiet it is. Operating at under 75 decibels, it runs significantly quieter than traditional gas-powered mowers. That means you can mow early in the morning or later in the evening without disturbing neighbors or dealing with the loud engine noise that usually comes with gas equipment. This alone makes a huge difference in everyday usability. Now let's talk about design and build. The Greenworks 16-inch mower is ultra lightweight, reportedly about 35% lighter than many traditional gas mowers. This makes it extremely easy to push, turn, and maneuver around tight corners, garden beds, and uneven spaces. The ergonomic handle design also helps reduce fatigue, especially if you're mowing for longer periods. The 16-inch cutting deck is ideal for small to medium yards. It may not be the widest mower available, but the trade-off is better control and easier storage. If you have a compact lawn or areas with obstacles like trees, flower beds, or narrow pathways, this size actually works in your favor. One of the key features is the Smart Cut adjustment system. It offers a single lever, 5-position height adjustment ranging from 1.25 inches to 3.375 inches. This allows you to easily adjust the cutting height depending on your grass type and seasonal needs. Whether you prefer a short, clean cut, or a slightly longer finish for healthier grass, the adjustment is quick and simple. The mower also includes a 2-in-1 functionality, meaning you can choose between mulching or rear bagging. Mulching is great for returning nutrients back into the soil, while rear bagging is ideal when you want a cleaner finish or need to collect clippings for disposal. This flexibility makes it suitable for different lawn care preferences. In terms of maintenance, this is where the Greenworks mower really stands out. Since it's battery-powered, there's no gas, no oil, no spark plugs, and no engine maintenance required. That means fewer headaches, lower long-term costs, and no need for seasonal tune-ups. Over time, this can save you a significant amount of money compared to traditional gas mowers. It's also more environmentally friendly because it produces zero direct emissions during operation. Another strong advantage is the ecosystem compatibility. This mower is part of the Greenworks 40V system, which supports over 75 different tools including trimmers, blowers, and chainsaws. That means if you already invest in this ecosystem, you can share the same battery across multiple tools, which adds convenience and long-term value. Charging is also fairly efficient. The included fast charger can recharge the 4.0 Ah battery in about 2 hours, allowing you to get back to mowing relatively quickly if needed. For most users, one full charge is enough to complete their yard work in a single session. In real-world usage, this mower is best suited for homeowners with small to medium lawns who prioritize convenience over raw cutting power. It's especially good for people who want something lightweight, quiet, and easy to maintain. If you're transitioning from a gas mower, the biggest difference you'll notice is how simple everything becomes. No starting issues, no fuel storage, and no loud engine noise. Of course, there are a few limitations to keep in mind. The 16-inch cutting deck means it may take longer to mow larger properties. Also, runtime is dependent on grass conditions, so very thick or wet grass can reduce battery life slightly. However, for its intended use case, it performs very reliably. Overall, the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower is a practical, modern solution for everyday lawn care. It combines ease of use, quiet operation, and low maintenance into one compact design. If you want a cleaner, simpler way to maintain your yard without dealing with gas-powered equipment, this mower is definitely worth considering.